So here's your GMB, and I see that you've got uh, pretty much everything filled out properly. I don't see anything that you need to do to your GMB. Um, you've been posting regularly. Um, you've got awesome reviews, 4.1, I'm sorry, 4.9 stars, and you got almost 400. So all that looks pretty good. Um, the only thing is what drives your GMB, what helps you rank. You're in fourth place. I'm in California, and your business is in Katy, Texas, and I Googled cell phone repair in Katy, Texas, and you came up as number 4. Okay, and you could be on the top easily because these guys have a very poor a website. They don't have some of these guys don't even have a website. This guy's website, I think, doesn't connect. Oh yeah, let's see here. Yeah, see, I mean his website doesn't exist. Um, this guy does. His website does exist, but it doesn't have good matrix. This one, I'm not sure if this one doesn't even have a website. And so we can beat these people. We can beat them. We can be on top. And this is how you're going to do that. Um, your, let me see here. I was going to do some backlink checking on these various companies, but here you are. You've got 85 backlinks, okay, and that's low. Your domain rating is 2.6. That's also low. You've been around for a while. This I built this website 7 months ago, and it has one or it's Google crawled it 7 months ago. I built it about a year ago, but it just started crawling. Google started crawling it about 7 months ago. It has one keyword. You've been around for 3.3 years. You've got great organic keyword. Um, and my matrix, let's see if I can find out where I'm at because I got a bunch of windows open. Uh, See, this is the west side I built, Mr. Pool Cleaning. Look at my rating. It's a 10. You're at a where are you? Here, you're at a 2.6. You've got 85. In 3 years you should have a ton of backlinks. And so the reason that's important is because this helps you rate. It helps you rank higher and higher. This is Mr. Pool Cleaning, the same website I built a year ago, and look at my citation flow 28 and my trust flow 17. You've got, where are you? I think you're over here. This is you. You got 1 citation flow and 0 trust flow. So your GMB is fine. It's your website that needs to be improved. The website carries a lot of weight in terms of rankings, and because your competitors don't have any, and some of these guys really they have poor rankings too, poor um, matrix. You can beat them. That's my recommendation, that either you can hire us, or you can hire somebody to do backlinks to onto your site, and get your citation flow up and get your trust flow up, and you will certainly beat your competition and be number 1, because these guys are very, very, very weak. In our industry, if I was to create a business for cell phone repair in Katy, Texas, I would be number 1 in 6 months to a year, because I call this low hanging fruit. I can attack these and beat them because they have very poor matrix. And so anyway, let me know if you need our help. but that's what needs to be done. Again, your GMB is fine. You've got your info is complete. You got your website attached to it. You got hours. You've got everything that you need to get is fully optimized, in my opinion. I didn't look at photos, but I'm sure you have a ton of photos. Yeah, yeah, you're good. Um, I would also add to your website if you don't have it yet. Add a link all your businesses to your site. I'm sorry, not your businesses, your social media. If you don't have, oh yeah, you're already linked. Perfect. So you're linked there. That's great. Add keywords to your website. You have no cell phone repair Katie keywords. So what happens when people are Googling uh, cell phone repairs? That's what they use. Those are the keywords they use. See, they use cell phone repair, right? And so you need to have those keywords in your website. And you have zero. This is your main page, I think. Let me see home. Let me go to your home page. Okay, this is your home page. Yeah, cell phone repair. And Kate, let me see. Do you have cell phone repair? You do have cell phone, but you have 8. Okay, so that's okay. That would work. Um, and naturally, if I would add Katie to it though, or near me, because people usually, keywords that people use. If I'm sitting at home and I want to find a cell phone repair company, I put near me, right? And so I'm in California, so these guys, are popping up because they're near me, okay, in Camarillo, California. Google Local wants to help people on the local level. Their algorithm has changed so that you show up when people search and in a particular area. The closest business that they're searching for will show up on the localized level. So you want to use keywords that people use. Again, uh, cell phone repair near me. Do you have near me? No, you don't. Yeah, so just think about that. Have your SEO guy add more keywords to your website. Your website's pretty good. You have a lot of content. You have a nice website. So that's what I would do. Get some backlinks onto your website and more backlinks and more citations. You got to get more citations too. You're not cited in enough places. Um, I have let's see here. There's this company that has this list. Um, see, these are citations. Okay, I'll just give you an example here. Um, Somebody can do this manually. You can do it yourself. But you can, these are the top listed 200 local SEO citation sources. Facebook, you're already on Facebook. You're already on Google My Business, Bing, Hot Frog, Yahoo. See, all these, you need to be cited. Sometimes they charge, sometimes they're free, but you need to, just be cited in more areas, okay? It's a popularity contest when it comes to ranking, as you know. So the more citations you have, the better your rank. Okay, so I hope that helps. Good luck to you. If you need our help, we'd be happy to help. Okay, we can do the citations for you. We can do the backlinks for you, and we can take care of your SEO if you need our help. All right, thanks.